I'm Kayla Gunn, and I'm a QA analyst. What that means is that I come to work every day trying to break Jovix. So my favorite part would be at the end of the release, looking back and saying, like, this, to my knowledge, is the best that Jovix can be right now. This is the best quality, this is the best Jovix version that we've put out so far.
My name is Jerry Chandler, and I'm the UX manager for Jovix. Well, my role entails several things. One of the main things is working with the development team to design what the software will look like. And in a lot of cases that involves working with our users directly to get their input on what a feature should do, and then designing the software in a way that is easy for them to use and accomplishes all of their goals. It's not just about how it looks, but it's about how it works. The number of clicks that a process takes is one example. Making sure that the words we use are intuitive, that the language that's used there is intuitive, that there are ways to get out of any situations if they run into a problem, that we have helpful tips at the point where they need them most, and that the information that they need is on the screen where they need it. Having to jump from one screen to another to find the information you need is problematic for anybody, so we try to make sure that each screen has all the information on it that the user would need at that time in the process. And since this industry is so varied, there are really no two places that do everything the exact same way. So we've added a lot of configuration and customization options into the software so that you can set it up to really customize each user's individual experience. One of the things that working here with Jovix has allowed me to do is actually go out to sites to meet with our users. And I've gotten to know people at several different levels of the structure, from the guys in the field who are receiving materials to the upper level management who just need reports and numbers. And so one of the challenges here is to make Jovix the tool for each of those individuals. And to make it so that each of these individuals can have a unique experience in the system that provides the information that they need. And so I guess my overall vision for Jovix is that each of our users should be able to get the information that they want when they want it. We don't want to clutter up the screens with information that is not relevant to that user at that exact time. And so we also don't want to put a lot of roadblocks in people's way of getting their jobs done. Because at the end of the day, Jovix is all about making our users' jobs easier, whatever those jobs may be, whether it's receiving shipments, whether it's scanning barcodes, whether it's overseeing the entire laydown yard, whether it's managing the entire receiving crew, whether it's doing quality assurance for the entire project. We want each of those individuals and each of those roles to be able to do their jobs easier than they could have without Jovix.